Hello, this is Bruce Wan, Head of Research for MaxCap Group. In this video, I want to do something completely different by offering you a travel guide to the Australian and New Zealand markets tailored to the perspectives of a private real estate investor. Whether you're a newly arrived inbound investor fresh off the plane or a seasoned local investor with more grey hairs and stories about the good old days, there's a lot to be gained from accessing good market intel. This is greatly useful not just to find the good restaurants or the good coffee shops, but it is also really useful to know the local players, the local market performance, and the pipeline of potential opportunities on the ground. In this context, let me introduce you to our crew of travel guides. Real estate professionals and origination experts by day, and travel and market guides by night. You can read all about their recommendations for good hangout spots, along with their insights on investment strategies for each local market, what to do and where to do it, in our written travel guide on the website. Just follow the link. Of course, there is a more serious message here, which is to say you do need a good local guide in each market. Real estate is a relationship business. It is not a fly-in, fly-out business. You absolutely need the boots on the ground in each market to originate, to execute, and to manage deals. At a time of massive capital inflows, as we're seeing right now with the private credit market, a big origination team and a diverse geographic footprint are essential features of any credible investment platform. Managers without these resources or without the investment pipeline will likely struggle to deploy the capital they have raised. At the same time, there are a lot of differences in local market performance across different sectors over the past few years. Looking at this chart, we can see a range of outcomes for returns and volatility for each sector realized over the past 3 years. Meanwhile, the arrow shows our expectations of how the outlook might change across each sector over the next 3 years. Altogether, there is a substantial gap between the stronger performers like industrial and residential compared to the weaker performers like office and retail. Looking ahead, some of that positioning for both risk and returns might change in coming years, but there is still likely to be a persistent gap between those top and bottom performers. In other words, market selection and sector selection will still be very important drivers of alpha returns. In our view, having good access to local experts and local market intel will be a key factor for investment success. If you want to get access to these market recommendations, please go ahead and read our travel guide on the website. At the same time, if you want to access our local market experts and investment pipeline, reach out to our capital team for a chat. This has been Bruce Wan from MaxCap Group.